Most people think retouching is only for fixing bad photos. But look at this shot. The composition is great, the smiles are genuine, and the lighting is clean. Yet, to make it truly professional, we need to address the subtle things: skin tone inconsistencies, micro distractions in the background, and eye clarity. Today, I'm showing you how to perform a studio-grade invisible edit using Nano Banana. We are going to use this photo to demonstrate that you don't need expensive tools like Photoshop to do detailed editing on photos. With Nano Banana, we skip the manual sampling. Go to Google Gemini, upload the photo, and then enter the following prompt. Analyze the skin tones of both subjects in this photo. Please equalize any minor redness or tonal shifts to create a smooth, consistent complexion across their faces, necks, and arms. It is critical to preserve the natural skin texture and pores, so it looks like a high-end photograph, not a digital filter. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, the prompt cleaned up the photo's tone. You are not finished with the photo. Download it and then once again upload it to Google Gemini. A common mistake is making teeth paper white. It looks fake instantly. We want to remove the natural yellow cast while keeping the shadows between the teeth so they retain their shape. We'll do the same for the eyes to make the couple look more engaged. Enter this prompt. Identify the teeth and eyes of both subjects. Subtly brighten the teeth to remove yellow tones while maintaining realistic shadows. For the eyes, clean the whites of any minor redness and slightly enhance the contrast of the iris to make the gaze look sharper and more vibrant. As you can see from the results, the prompt made the teeth and eyes look more realistic. But then, we can see another issue. The white brick behind the subjects is a great texture, but those small dark marks draw the eye away from the subjects. We're going to clean the wall and add what pros call punch, adjusting the curves to make the subjects stand out from the background. Once again, download the photo and re-upload. Then enter this. Clean the white brick background by removing the small dark spots and distracting marks, making it look like a pristine studio wall. Then apply a subtle lighting adjustment to the subjects. Increase the mid-tone contrast to add punch and depth, and add a very slight warm glow to the highlights on their faces. Look at the transition. The skin looks harmonious, the smiles are bright, and the background is clean. We didn't change who they are, we just removed the technical noise that gets in the way of a great portrait. All of this was done with 3 descriptive prompts, no layers required. What I love most about this invisible edit is that we've honored the original moment. We didn't use AI to change the couple's features. We used it to handle the tedious technical work, like balancing skin tones and cleaning backgrounds, that usually takes a professional retoucher hours to master. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's clarity. By removing those small distractions, you allow the viewer to focus entirely on the connection between the subjects. If you want to try these exact prompts on your own photos, I've listed them in the description below. Don't be afraid to tweak the wording. Tell the AI exactly what you see and what you want to achieve. Thanks for spending some time with me today. If this helped you see portrait editing in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI-powered creativity. Keep shooting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.